This footage was never meant to be seen. It was recovered from a damaged camera, found half buried in the snow. No owner, no signal, just this. At first, it looks normal. A routine climb, wind howling, snow everywhere, visibility almost zero. But then, something changes. Watch closely. Right there, in the distance. Frame 237. Pause it. That shape. It wasn't there before. And what's worse, it doesn't move like anything alive. The person filming didn't notice it yet. They keep walking, but the camera keeps catching it. Again and again. Every few seconds, it's closer. Not walking, not running, just appearing, like it's skipping space instead of crossing it. Now look at this part. The footage glitches, audio distorts, and for a split second, it's right behind them. But when the camera turns, nothing. Just snow, just wind, just silence. This is where it gets strange. The climber stops, breathing heavy. You can hear it. They feel something, that instinct.